Imagine a world where soldering doesn't touch your components. Welcome to the future of green manufacturing with our non-touch laser solution. Traditional soldering can damage delicate parts. Our laser technology ensures precision without physical contact, preserving your component's integrity. With real-time monitoring and advanced PID algorithms, our system guarantees stable temperatures and perfect welds every time. No more burnt solder points or wasted materials. Our laser solution is not only efficient but also eco-friendly. From small electronic components to complex assemblies, our technology adapts to your needs with unparalleled precision. See the difference for yourself. Perfect welds, zero waste, and a greener planet. Ready to revolutionize your manufacturing process?